Look at the gray sky, iron teeth tearing the sod, smoke stacking up high. They sell you a life in a box, they feed you a lie on a tray. One world is built on theft, the other is waiting in the seed. Which world do you want to live in? I choose the sun. Tear up the blacktop today, planting a row in the dust, panels catching the heat, silver glass drinking the light, power lines fall away. Left behind. We are the ones who grow, building around the bright sun. Back to the round the bright sun, back to the garden we go. Breaking the chain and the wire, living on the land. Producer and the seed, consumer left in the smoke, harvesting every beat. Turn